Hello, this is Kamal Yassine, and I'll start with the Medline search for the clinical scenario 1. So first of all, let's define the PICO for this clinical scenario. The population are the 2-year-old children. The intervention is the ibuprofen. The comparison is the paracetamol, and the outcome is reducing fever. So let's start with our search. First of all, we go to the AUB database and we click on Medline. Then we click on this Ovid Medline link because it's the most up-to-date. So we will divide our search into 3 meshes, the first one being paracetamol. When we search for paracetamol, it takes us to a more specific mesh, which is acetaminophen, and we click it. We see that there are no submeshes for acetaminophen, and so we click continue for now because we do not want to limit our search. We include all the subheadings and then we press continue. Now the second mesh we are searching for is ibuprofen. So we write ibuprofen, we search, and then we click on the ibuprofen mesh, and we find that there are no submeshes for ibuprofen, and so we continue for now. We include all the subheadings and we continue. The third mesh we are searching for is fever. So we write fever and we click search. Then we click on fever and we see that there are some submeshes. We then press continue and then we press include all subheadings or continue, it's the same thing. And now we need to combine the 3 searches that we've done and we combine them with AND. We found 198 articles, so now we need to narrow it down a little more. We press on limits, additional limits, and then we go to age groups and we pick all child and preschool child because they contain the age group that we are talking about. They both contain them. We then press on clinical queries and we choose the therapy that maximizes sensitivity and not specificity. And we get 163 articles.
Hi, my name is Farah Bindakji, and at this point we have 163 searches, and we can narrow it down even more. So we go ahead and we write acetaminophen. We search it and we make sure to focus it. Then we include all subheadings. And we go ahead and we do the same thing for ibuprofen. We want to focus this mesh, so we search it. And we focus it again. Include all the subheadings. And now we do the same thing for fever. So it's the same process. We search, we focus, include all subheadings. And now we combine our 3 new focused meshes, and then we want to add our filters, which we previously picked before. The first one being age, and the second one being the clinical queries. At this point, our search has 95 articles, which is fair, and we would have enough articles to compare the effect of ibuprofen and paracetamol to know what to give the patient at this point.